wondered what it feels like to walk on a cloud? Well, I'm Gracie with WTI, and stepping on this rug from SHACOS is exactly what I think it would feel like. You guys, I cannot begin to describe how incredibly soft this rug is. It's made out of a cotton blend polyester, and it honestly feels like fur. What I really appreciated is that the pattern is not printed on. It's actually woven with 2 different pile heights, which adds so much depth and interest to my living room. I love this neutral beige color. I think it brings a lot of warmth and will literally go with any kind of decor style that you have in your home. I even tried this under my dining room table and loved the way it looked. I got the 8x10 size and it comes folded in a box, but the creases disappeared on their own within a week or so. And because of its super soft and fluffy material, I did find you have to vacuum it on a really low setting. But get this, you can also throw this in the wash on a gentle cycle and tumble dry it low for a quick refresh. It has a non-slip rubber backing, so it definitely stays in place. This rug is everything I was looking for my living room. It's the perfect blend of modern and minimalistic, and that's my point of view.